Hey, hope everyone's doing well. So, it's been a minute since I've posted, about a couple weeks now, and I just wanted to make this video to say that I've been really busy and I haven't had a chance to do any recordings yet and get them out there. And it's because of the holidays, and then there's a lot of business planning happening right now at work, and so I've been super busy with that. And then also I was invited to by Ignacy to do a BIM webinar and talk about automation and Dynamo, and that took a lot of time to put together the presentation and the guideline and stuff, which will all be available. So check out the link below if you want to check that out. But on screen right here, I've got upcoming topics. And so I just wanted to share with you some of the ones that I plan on releasing. This isn't the exact order, and actually it's probably more like this. And then this one is going to be down here. So this is probably a little bit better on what this is going to be. And so I wanted to talk about unicorns or troubleshooters, and that's related to like jobs and job descriptions and the postings from recruiters and other things. And I wanted to talk about kind of the spectrum that you might see these jobs described as, and some of the red flags that might come with that, and some things to watch out from both a person that's looking for a position, but also somebody that's hiring for those positions as well. There's a lot of, I think, misunderstanding of AEC technology, a misunderstanding of BIM that can cause a lot of confusion for both the people hiring and the people looking for new opportunities. So that one's going to be a really fun topic. I really enjoy that topic because I think it's a really important one, especially when you're trying to make a change in your firm and you're trying to move a certain direction. You want to make sure you describe what you want, you plan correctly, and you hire the right people. And so the next one is a couple Dynamo scripts. This one's going to be kind of interesting. Haven't finished this script yet, but essentially I'm going to try to find a way of placing scope boxes automatically. I already have it all mapped out and I know what I want to do with it. It's just a matter of finishing the automation. And so I think that'll be an interesting kind of approach to automatically placing scope boxes. And the other one's merging families and types. This is one I ran into on some projects in the last couple of weeks, and I wanted to show you an example of doing this. It's not a fully automated approach, and but it's much faster than doing it manually, which is really cool, I think. And so I wanted to share that just in case other people were experiencing issues with duplicate families and having to merge different types, because there's some really good workflows in native Dynamo or Revit, and then also using a bit of Dynamo. I'd like to circle back on NIME. I think that's an important topic. So my last video was just kind of setting the foundation using our connecting NIME with the Access database, which is a database that was kind of filled up with data from Revit, from the Revit ODBC export. And so that kind of set the foundation of connecting data and stuff. And I wanted to take a look at the IFC connector that's publicly available. It's on GitHub. And so we'll look at that. And I think that'll be a really fun video. And then there's a couple articles that have been posted, like by Speckle, that I think are going to be some pretty good topics of just discussion. And also, if they're articles you haven't seen before, then hopefully it'll bring awareness around these topics, because there's a lot of good stuff happening out there. And it seems, to be moving so fast. So I'm hoping to cover some things that I've seen so far to just bring awareness around some more of these, topics related to data and what Speckle's doing, some Autodesk updates, and so on. So anyways, that's kind of the video roadmap for the next few weeks, with the first one hopefully getting posted early next week. So it'll be the unicorns or troubleshooters, and then the other two will come after that. So anyways, that's all I've got for this video. And actually, hold on, let me do one more thing. So This is the recording that I've done with Ignacy, and you can find it here on LinkedIn. I think there's a couple other spots as well that you can find it. Here's the recording. I'm going to post that link below in the description, so definitely check that out. I will be covering this topic separately on my own channel, kind of talking about the presentation, some of the things I didn't mention in this webinar, and so be on the lookout for that. I have not put that in the agenda just yet, but I will fit it in soon. So, anyways, check this out if you want to watch that. I had a lot of fun doing it. It's a really cool. It was a really cool conversation. I thought there were some really cool questions as well. And so, anyways, that's all I've got for now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next one very soon.